I built a full-stack, multi-model AI social product without writing a single line of code. Basically, I've brought the virtual matching system from Black Mirror's Hang the DJ into the real world. Hello everyone, I'm a product manager who doesn't know the first thing about programming. Today, I want to show you a product I vibe coded from start to finish. I've named it MeetMe. I didn't write a single line of code for this. In fact, I can't even read code. Simply by chatting with AI, I managed to bridge the entire front-end and back-end architecture. For the tech stack, I chose Vue for the front-end, Node.js and Python for the back-end, and MongoDB for the database. On the model side, I integrated DeepSeek, Ernie, Qwen, and Dubao, covering both large language models and multimodal models. It features everything from user registration and AI twin construction to AI dialogue, user matching, and personality profiling. Now, let me walk you through the entire process. And remember, zero code. I truly don't understand any of it. First, the registration. I implemented an email verification system. With the help of AI, I successfully integrated Alibaba Cloud's direct mail service. Then comes the initial AI dialogue guidance. Instead of those boring traditional forms, I use AI models to extract basic user information through natural conversation. This completely changes the registration experience. Next, there are 4 mini dialogue tests. I call upon different AI personas to interact with the user to complete these assessments. Once the tests are done, the user synchronizes their AI twin. Here, I use another model to extract a deep personality profile. This profile includes 2 parts: your basic info and your personality traits. While analyzing your personality, the system also breaks down your personality colors and creates a very cool visual display on the front end. You can even choose to retake the test if you're not satisfied. Also, before matching, users need to upload a selfie and photos of their preferred type. I use a multimodal model to extract keywords from these looks. To reduce the photo shame often felt on social media, your actual selfies are never shown to the other person. They only see the text descriptions. I think this is a really interesting innovation to keep things low pressure. Once all the info is ready, we enter the encounter stage. When you initiate an encounter, the model compares visual preferences and descriptions to calculate an initial chemistry score. Then, the AI generates a first meet scenario for the 2 virtual twins. Based on their profiles, speaking habits, and initial chemistry, the AI scripts and acts out an encounter between the 2 clones. At the end of the scene, it recalculates how their chemistry has evolved. These encounters last for 7 days, and the AI twins carry over memories and feelings from previous days. Every day, a new chapter unlocks. I've even set up email notifications to remind you to check in and see how your twins are getting along. After the 7 days are up, the system evaluates the final chemistry score. If it's high enough, you can request to exchange WeChat IDs. If both parties agree, the virtual social experience finally switches to a real person connection. That's basically the product. I think this represents the current ceiling of vibe coding. Despite the complex logic, a non-technical person can still bring it to life. I also think this is a fascinating direction for AI social networking. On traditional platforms, people often hide behind a perfect mask. But in reality, what determines if 2 people are compatible isn't their highlights, but their flaws and blind spots. This is exactly what traditional platforms miss. AI twins can dig into your latent personality and stress test a relationship in virtual scenarios to see if you actually fit. It's essentially a way to avoid dating pitfalls. If you're interested in this project, please reach out. I've proven the logic from 0 to 1 with 0 code, and now I need you to help me take this experience to the next level. I'm looking for partners in all directions: product, design, algorithms, development, and operations. Even though the platform is live, there's still so much to optimize. Finally, the ceiling for AI coding is incredibly high. It all depends on how you use it. This project was my way of testing the waters. If you're interested, follow me. When I have time, I'll post a video on how non-technical people can launch a website as fast as possible using AI. Thanks for watching.